Welcome, Namaste, welcome to the Indian Paisa League. I mean, Indian Premier League. I feel watching IPL is like having a girlfriend. Initially, it's very exciting, and then you keep watching her again and again, and then it's just pure time waste. And this year IPL, I think one good thing about IPL is not anymore only boys thing. Even girls watch IPL. But there's a difference. There's a difference between how boys like IPL and how girls like IPL. A boy, after watching cricket, he would say, "Yaar, Virat ne kya mara yaar, Sachin ne kya mara yaar." And girls have only one reaction. They would just watch cricket and say, "Cute, no?" That's it. They don't do anything else. And for me, this year's IPL has started on a wrong note. Did you see that advertisement, Jumping Japan? What kind of advertisement is that? What's wrong with Farah Khan? I think the entire family has gone mad this year. First they made Joker, and then Himmatwala. Now, Jumping Japan. I think that is the most bakwazest, idiotic advertisement I have ever seen. After all these pathetic performances, I think all the people, all the family members are qualified to join Congress. And this year's IPL also has seen the most talked about gang rape ever. Chris Gayle, he raped Pune Warriors Indians. Man, 60 balls, 175 runs, how could he do that? That's the entire runs which Sachin scored in all the matches. And Sachin is called God of Cricket. By that logic, I think Chris Gayle is Godzilla of cricket. I have an idea to stop Chris Gayle. Make him listen to Himesh Reshammiya songs. Or better, make him watch Telugu actor Balakrishna movies. I'm betting you he will never score runs again in his life. Cheerleaders. One thing which amazes me about IPL is the cheerleaders. I really like the idea of cheerleaders cheering the team when 4 or 6 is hit. But what irritates me is the kind of songs for which they dance. Frustrating, man. And I think there are few people who go to stadium to watch cheerleaders. You know, some people, they look at cheerleaders as if they want to eat them. For instance, consider this particular picture. Look at that guy. That guy, I think, is very, very happy and satisfied to look at them. And look at this other guy. This guy, I think he wants to eat those cheerleaders. And look at this guy. This guy is looking as if he's so desperate from last few years that he wants to do something to them. Pune Warriors Indian cheerleaders, man. They come in traditional dresses and whenever 4 or 6 is hit, they start doing Bharatanatyam. Who will watch? I mean, tell me something. If I'm happy, why would I do Bharatanatyam? I would just jump around like a crazy dog. This year's IPL has also seen the two most humble cricketers ever produced in India. Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir. They had a fight on the cricket field. Virat Kohli got out and Gautam Gambhir ran in front of him and said something and Virat Kohli got angry. You know what is the fight all about? Tamanna. Gautam Gambhir had asked Tamanna's phone number from Virat Kohli, which he refused to give, and they started abusing each other. And Tamanna did not give number to both of them because she gave it to me. It makes us fight among ourselves. The other day, Bisla sledged Rahul Dravid. Come on, how can you sledge Rahul Dravid, man? He's a gentleman. And the number of runs which Bisla would score in his entire life would be less than the number of balls which Rahul Dravid had left alone. And also, I think sledging Rahul Dravid is like Manmohan Singh criticizing the public speaking skills of Obama. And also, apparently, in this year's IPL, the teams which are owned by actors are not doing well. For instance, KKR, Shah Rukh Khan's KKR. We find out the reason why KKR is not performing well. And the reason was, before IPL, the entire team has watched Jab Tak Hai Jaan. That's the reason. And on the other hand, even Preeti Zinta's Kings 11 Punjab is also not doing well. Don't you think Preeti Zinta should be more worried about her marriage? See, for instance, my age 22, 6 years back, and people are more worried about my marriage, and the same thing applies to Preeti Zinta. I think Preeti Zinta should be more worried about her wedding rather than boys' performance. Of course, after wedding also boys' performance matters, but still, I think she should focus on her wedding. But there is an exception though. Shilpa Shetty's team, Rajasthan Royals, is doing extremely well. And the reason why they are doing extremely well is each of the player has got the DVD, Shilpa Shetty Yoga DVD with them. I think before every match, players watch yoga and then they go and perform. Wonderful, isn't it? But in this entire IPL, there's this one person, when I look at him, it makes me very sad. And that guy is Neeta Ambani's son. They have given him an entire couch to sit and he cannot even get up from that immediately. Even when Mumbai Indian wins, And when everyone is celebrating, he wants to celebrate. But by the time he gets up, the celebrations are over. And whenever I look at Neeta Ambani and her son, I only remember that song from Tare Zameen Par.
तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ